Ramadan Kareem, and people are actually sharing a lot of kindness and happiness. You want to make a cake like this? Stay tuned and watch this video.
Alright, let's put it at 360.
Very, very simple. What we need, 1 cup of water, that I will add some spices to it that gives it some proper taste. We got cardamom, I'm gonna crush them all, saffron and cinnamon. Add them with 3 eggs, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and finally the cake mix. And we're gonna mix them all for 2 minutes. Alright, this is the oil. And now let's add this spicy water. It doesn't look maybe very nice, but trust me, this is the cinnamon, cardamom, and the saffron. All mixed together. Alright, now let's add the eggs. Alright, now we'll mix it for a little bit. Alright, right now we'll add this mix gradually while we are mixing for 2 minutes. Alright, now this is how it looks like after 2 minutes of mixing. It looks so beautiful, look at that. And now let's put it in the oven. Alright, this is the pan I'm using. So basically I oiled it all the way. Make sure you do this step so the egg doesn't stick. Sweet, now let's pour the mixture in. This is how it looks like right now. Make sure it's like very firm and beautiful. And lastly, we'll put it for 35 minutes in the oven. Alright, by the time we are waiting, let's make this glaze. We'll make 2. The first taste is coffee, and the other taste is the same cup that we used before for spices, so it has the spices taste. I'll make 1 cup of powdered sugar with a little bit of each. Then I'm gonna add later as much as I want, depends on the consistency of the liquid. Alright, now I repeated the same steps for the first one, and this is the glaze we have of the coffee mixture. Now we'll make it for the milk and spices. Let's mix! Alright, here we have the cake. I just got it from the oven, flipped it. And now let's divide it into 3 sections. Each section would have 1 glaze flavor and 1 does not have any. So we got the coffee, normal glaze, and no glaze. In order to do this very professionally, I'm going to cut this triangle shape here to use the glaze as I wish. Alright, let's do the coffee. Last thing, I'm gonna add some walnut. Here we have it, the final thing.